show you around. There's a small waterfall here as well. It's a nice area. You can go here and camp with tents. Here you can put up tents. And there's a fireplace. And there's water over there. Inside the building there's a shower. You have to pay for tenting here. See here? Welcome to camping. 135 kroners per person. And there's a place here for barbecuing. And there's also a lot of cabins and rooms you can rent here. All of this area is for tenting. And if you have a boat, you can park the boat here for free. I'm paying a little bit for electricity.